This morning via Skype here is Des Moines Mayor Frank Cownie. Talk a little bit about the situation over in our capital city and some big decisions being made. First off, thanks for making the time. We know that your position as mayor, full-time job. Not a big surprise with the decision that you made given the latest case counts. What can you tell us about where you think the city's headed?
Well, it's hard to tell, because you can't detect the spread. We're not sure. We haven't done enough testing, but everything indicates that not only Des Moines, but the state of Iowa is actually one of 5 states that has the highest rates of active spread. So it's still scary. We need to work on it, and Polk County specifically over the past week saw nearly a doubling of our cases here. It went, I think, from about 813 to over 1,700, almost 1,800. So it's we have to keep an eye on it very carefully, and we're still encouraging everybody: stay home, stay healthy, be careful, wear masks, observe social distancing, protect your family, protect your friends, protect your work associates. We'll get through this, but we've got a lot more work to do.
And Mayor Cownie, as Governor Reynolds plans on reopening portions of the state as early as tomorrow, what are your thoughts on that?
Well, Polk County is not one of the counties that she designated for that reopening. So we're still buckling down and trying to do everything we can. I am worried as we look at that spread that in Iowa being one of the top 5 in the country for that active spread, I think we've got to be very diligent, not only in Des Moines, but around the state, to everybody stay healthy and do everything that we can. We'll try to work with all levels of government to get the message out and have everybody do the right thing. And we'll continue to reach out to the governor and make sure that we're doing everything that we can to protect citizens of Des Moines especially. You know, as we think about business recovery, we're all worried about that. My family's been in small business for now 4 generations here in Iowa, and we'd like to continue. But the most important thing is our health. There will be no recovery if you don't have your health. So protecting the health of our citizens is of utmost importance.
Okay, and Mr. Mayor, can you, if there's a resource available for folks through the city to reach out if they need help with food assistance, economic assistance, where are you advising Des Moines residents to go?
For food assistance and that, I would get a hold of somebody in my office, either probably Al Setka or Alex Hassel in my office, and they'll help direct some people to the right outlets to do it. There's lots of people work on it, and certainly Polk County also is a great resource. Their EOC is doing a lot of great work, and they can also direct people. So I would actually call probably the greatest resource at the moment outside of my office would be to call 211.
Okay.
And get some good direction.
Mayor Cownie, thank you for making the time. We'll continue to check in with you as we continue to get through this day by day.
Absolutely, and thank you for keeping our citizens educated on what the right things are due. The message is important, and thank you for everything that you do.
You bet.
Thank you, Mayor.